So I'm starting with the topic that is related with that of introduction of obstetrics. So please, anyone, please be mute all the sounds which is present outside as I have to continue the lecture. So today what we are going to see about the introduction of the obstetrics. Okay. So what we see, yes. So if we see the total lifespan of any female starting from her birth to the entire life, whatever changes that what we see in the gynecology. And in that total lifespan from 0 to 45, whatever the lifespan, from that age to 16 to 45 years, it is called as a reproductive life. Reproductive life, and from during this reproductive life, what happens when the ovum and sperm unite together, and from that point, from ovum and sperm unite together to the delivery, that is total of 9 months 7 days, or in the language of weeks it is 40 weeks, or to, in the days to 70 days, whatever it, and the time after the delivery, that is near about 6 weeks, that is puerperium. Whatever the normal and abnormal what we learn, that is comes under the obstetrics. So what is it in total lifespan? That is from union of ovum and sperm to the delivery, and the delivery and the time after the delivery, 6 weeks. That is what is normal and abnormal what we learn, that is comes under the obstetrics part of it. So for division of it, I have divided into, for understanding purpose of it is divided into 3 parts: antenatal part, intranatal part, and postnatal part. So what is that is antenatal? Natal means that is during the delivery. So starting from the pregnancy to the delivery, that is the time period is called as antenatal. So during delivery, it is called as intranatal, and after delivery, it is called as a postnatal. So antenatal, that is the mother, it is again mother and embryo or fetus. Again, it is divided into 2 parts, that is mother, normal, abnormal, then the embryo or fetus, normal and abnormal. Embryo, embryo, that is from the product of conception up to the 10 weeks, it is called as a embryo, and from product of conception to the delivery, it is called as a product of conception from 10 weeks onwards up to the delivery, it is called as a fetus. So in that what we are going to
आवाज
see,
नहीं है.
okay, from product of conception up to the 10 weeks, it is called as an embryo, and from the 10 weeks to the delivery, it is called as a fetus. And what we are going to see, what is normal and abnormal. In intranatal, again, what we are going to see, mother, normal and abnormal. Then in postnatal, mother, normal, abnormal, and in after delivery, the whatever the fetus, it is called as a neonate up to 28 weeks. That is what we are going to see, normal and abnormal. So that is in short concept of the obstetrics. So what are the supports of the uterus? So for basic things, what we are going to see in today's lecture, that is this part, mother, normal part. So for pregnancy to occur, or what happened after the pregnancy occurred, whatever the normal that takes place in the mother, that what we are going to study in the in today's lecture. So first of all, what should you know it? That is supports of the uterus. Supports of the uterus, that is, it is again divided into three parts: upper, middle, and lower tier. Upper tier, that is round ligament and the broad ligament. Then middle one, that is the transverse ligament, pubosacral ligament, and the pubosacral ligament and uterosacral ligament. And lower, that is uh, urogenital diaphragm, levator, and the perineal body. That is. So this is again divided into three parts: upper part, middle part, and the lower part. So basic, and what we should know is basic anatomy and physiology of the female genital. So that is fallopian tubes, then fallopian ovary, fallopian tubes, uterus, and the cervix and vagina. So that is basic anatomy and physiology that we should know. Then types of pelvic female pelvis. So again, it is divided into four types, but normally it is the gynecoid, and if it is abnormal, then it leads to the problem that is CPD, cephalopelvic disproportion. That what we're going to say in the afterwards abnormalities. But what is the shape? That is, what is the shape of this? That is comes under this. See this. So this is the shape. If it is normally, this should be like this. That is, whatever this shape should be there. So gynecoid type, what is it? The type typical female pelvis. The gynecoid, that is typical one. Then next one is the android type, is the male or funnel shaped pelvis with a contracted outlet. So this is the android. It is funnel shape. And then anthropoid. Anthropoid, what we see that anthropoid is long, narrow, and oval shape. How we see in this diagram, it is the oval shape in anthropoid. So that is anthropoid. Then platypulide. In platypulide is a wide pelvis flattened at the brim with the brim promontory of the sacrum pushed forward. This is platypulide, where sacrum it is pushed forward, and this is anthropoid. Release it of some oval shape, and this is the normal one. Then next, what is important for the pregnancy? So that's what we require, the ovum and the sperm. So that is male gamete and the female gamete. So formation of the this gamete is called as gametogenesis. The formation of sperm is called as the spermatogenesis. That is spermatogonia. 2N, that is mitotic division, takes place. Then forms the primary spermatocyte. Then again division of meiosis 1. From that time, secondary spermatocyte. Then secondary spermatocytes forms the spermatids. These spermatids, and again lower down it forms the spermatozoa. It forms the spermatozoa. While in female, there is the oogenesis, that is formation of ovum. Check the word spermatogonia over here, the word which is present over it is oogonia. Then it is again same, it is the division of mitotic division, which leads to the formation of primary spermatocyte. Primary spermatocyte. Then from that primary spermatocyte, again secondary site develops. That is by meiosis first completed. Then lastly, it forms the meiosis 2, and lastly forms the release of one ovum and second polygamy. So that is the of ovum and the sperm, that is called as a spermatogenesis. Then, uh, then next, what we are going to see, what happened to this uh, ovum and sperm. So if then ovum and sperm unite, then it is called as a human fertilization and implantation. Human fertilization, what is meaning of okay, human fertilization and implantation. So what is meaning of this? When the ovum and the sperm unites together in the fallopian tube. So where it is here. When ovum it is released, the sperm unites over here and the eggs, zygote it is formed. And then from zygote there is a first cleavage. Then from this first cleavage, two cell stage. From this two cell stage, it goes into the four cell stage by the division. And from this four cell stage, it goes into the eight cell stage. And from eight cell stage, it goes into the morula, that is completely 16 cell stage. And from that, it gets implanted into the upper part of the uterus, fundus part. Then it is called as an implantation. So say this changes from here to here. So whatever the time required, it is about some 8 to 9 days. So starting from the ovulation, it requires 8 to 9 days. So what is meaning of it? That as we know that for from ovulation, it requires the 14 days. And from 14 days, it requires again 8 to 9 days. So total how many days? 14 plus 9. So near about some 23 days are required to start from the LMP. So from LMP to implantation, total time required it is about some 23 to 24 days. So that is meaning of the time required. So LMP stand for last menstrual period. And what is this? If you see in this diagram, yellow color, so this is the endometrium. And what is this blastocyst? It's get implanted into the wall of the endometrium. And this endometrium, this is what it forms is, this is the part. This is inner, what do we say, inner cell mass of embryoblast. Then whatever the outside structure, it is called as a trophoblast. And whatever the cavity which is present over here, so that is, it is the blastocyst cavity. So this is trophoblast. Outside it is trophoblast. So whatever this form, it is the blastocyst which is get attached to the inner layer of the uterus, that is endometrium. That is nothing but the implantation. So what we are seeing here, it is the human fertilization and the implantation. So next, what we are after blastocyst, what happens? That is the embryo development. In embryo development, first what is required? The zygote, then two cell stage, two cells divided into division takes to four, four division takes place into the eight, eight division takes place into the 16, and that 16 cell stage it is called as a morula. So this is the morula stage. Then what happens is this it consists of the inner cell mass. This is inner cell mass. Then the whatever the in between blastocyst and whatever the outside, it is the trophoectoderm. And this is what where you are seeing this structure. This is endometrium. Then endometrium, then since cytotrophoblast, the in between there is amnion is there. Then this is the amnion. Then it is epiblast. It is then hypoblast is there. This leads to the yolk sac. And this is cytotrophoblast. And whatever this line we are seeing, this is the uterine epithelium. Then what we see that this structure, this is the primitive strip, and it forms the ectoderm, endoderm, mesoderm, and the embedded. And from that, what we see that the embryo gets developed. So it leads to the neural plate, then somates, then a primitive streak, then cardiac imminence, that is the prominent part cardiac. And afterward, it leads to the development of the embryo. So whatever this product of conception, it gets formed into the embryo up to 10 weeks. And whatever the outside structure, it is called as a chorion. The in between structure, it is called as a amnion, and out this is the amnion, this is the chorion, and in between that is called as a embryo. Afterwards 10 weeks it is called as a fetus up to the delivery, and after the delivery it is called as a neonate up to 28 days. You see the different terminologies which are used over from the product of conception up to the delivery and after the delivery up to the 28 weeks. So from the product of conception up to the 10 weeks, it is called as embryo. From 10 weeks onwards to the 10 weeks onwards up to the delivery, it is called as a fetus. And from delivery up to the 28 weeks, it is called as a neonate. So for this, first what we have required the urine pregnancy test. So what is it? Latex agglutination slide test. Uh, Latex agglutination slide test. In slide test, what it consists of? If the test is positive or whether the female is pregnant or non-pregnant. So what we see that in pregnancy, HCG antisera is there and the urine with HCG. What is meaning of long form of HCG? It is human chorionic gonadotropin. This HCG antibody antisera neutralize HCG in urine. HCG coated latex particles is added, and if no agglutination is visible, that indicates pregnancy is positive. While in non-pregnant state, what we see that HCG antisera plus urine, no HCG. If there is no presence, if there is no implantation, there is no chorion is not going to be formed. If no chorion, no HCG is going to be released. And this HCG antibody not neutralized. HCG coated lattice particles is added. And what it leads to agglutination is visible. That indicates pregnancy is not there. That is pregnancy. So for urine pregnancy, it is what we see that this is the sample stick. This is sample stick. Then this one is the HCG. Then what is it is anti-alpha HCG. Then this is the blue. It is coagulated particle. And this what is the red? What we are seeing. This is anti-B beta HCG. This is anti-alpha HCG. This is anti-beta HCG. So when there is an advancement of pregnancy, then what we see that there is a formation of placenta. So what is the placenta? So placenta, what we see that morphology of the placenta. So it is the organ of exchange of materials between fetal and maternal blood. See this in this diagram. What we see this is the placenta, and this is umbilical cord, and this is what we see that is the fetus, and whatever the exchange which takes place in between this, so that comes under the function of placenta. So what is it is the exchange of material between fetal and maternal blood. So how is the shape of it? So it is the disc-like shape. And how many surfaces are there? Surfaces is there. So as we know that it is upside, it is the maternal surface, and lower it is the fetal surface. See this. So it is. This is attached to the. This side mother part. It is the maternal side is the uterus is there. So it is maternal surface, and this side it is the as the fetus is seen on this side. So this is the fetus surface. And how is the shape of it? It is disc shape. How is the length of it is 15 to 20 centimeter. And how is the width thickness? it is about 2.5 to 3 centimeter. So 2.5 to 3 centimeter. And what is the normal attachment of the placenta? It is attached to the upper part of the uterus, that is fundus part posteriorly. So fetal surface, it is covered with amnion and fetal blood vessels. And from the center, what is the umbilical cord is attached near the center of the surface. So what we see in this diagram, so in between the umbilical cord, here it is the umbilical cord, and what is vessels, what we are seeing this. So that is the surface of the fetal surface. And from the maternal shows the 15 to 20 rounded elevation, that is called as a cotyledons. And these cotyledons are separated from each other. So how this externally it looks like one fold, then another one fold, then another one fold. So that is called as a cotyledons. And how much is that about number in? It is about 15 to 20 in numbers. Then diameter, as I already said, it is about some 15 to 20 centimeter. Thickness, it is about 3 centimeters. And if you see the weight of it, it is about some 500 to 600 grams. That is approximately half kg. Then it is attached to the implanted at the upper part of the posterior wall of the uterus, that is fundus. So this is the in short concept of the placenta. Then what is the normal function of the placenta? So what is the normal function? So it is the respiratory function, nutritive function, that is whatever the oxygen which is required for the fetus, and whatever the CO2 products, CO2 should be removed from it. So that is the respiratory function. It does it. Then nutritive function, whatever the requirement of the glucose and requirement of the fetus are given by the placenta to the fetus. Then excretory, whatever the waste product, that is blood, urea, creatinine, all these things are removed from the fetus via umbilical cord to the placenta, that is excretory function. Then production of enzymes. And then next one is that is the production of pregnancy associated plasma proteins. Then it also acts as a barrier function, and also it produces the endocrine function, as already we have seen in the previous slide, that is the HCG, that is hormone chorionic gonadotropin. So these hormones which are released by the placenta, and then it again releases estrogen, progesterone, and again it also releases HPL. So that is the release of hormones. That is what is the function it is going to do it. It is the endocrine function that is done by the placenta. So next what we are going to see about the umbilical cord. So in umbilical cord, what we see is that just it is the rounded. What we see in this diagram, this is umbilical cord. How it will look like? Something, some blue structure or something jelly-like structure which is present over here, and it is a twisted structure. So the umbilical cord, what is it? What we see in this time, it is a connection between the placenta and the fetus. So this is the connection between the placenta and fetus. And how it is? It is the twisted structure. Round, twisted structure. That is what is present. And if you see the morphology of the umbilical cord, so what we see that it is first, what is it between, where it is present? It is present between the mother placenta, that is uterus side, and to the fetus. That is the connection between the placenta and the fetus. Now next one is how much is the length of it is. The length, it is 50 to 60 centimeter. Why we are saying all this point? Because if anything abnormality in this can lead to the problem to the fetus. So if it is length, it is too much long, it is also a problem. If it is length, it is too much short, again it is the problem. So for this, what is we require? The normal length. So normal length, it is about some 50 to 60 centimeter. Then diameter. So how much is the diameter? That it is about some 2 centimeter. And how is the shape of it? So if you see the shape of it, that is, it is a torches and showing the false knots. That is shape, it is twisted structure and some jelly-like structure. And above this, that is the jelly which is present, that is called the vortex jelly, which is surrounding of it. It is the amniotic membrane. Then what are the contents of it? So normally, why we are saying this? Initially, there are two arteries and the two veins. But after 10 weeks, afterwards, during the pregnancy, the one vein subsides and remains the two arteries, two umbilical arteries and one umbilical vein. And remember, all the structures which are present in our body, that is, all arteries carries the oxygenated blood and all arteries carry the all veins carry the deoxygenated blood, except with that of the umbilical artery and umbilical pulmonary arteries and pulmonary veins carries the opposite. Umbilical arteries and pulmonary arteries carries the deoxygenated blood, while umbilical vein and pulmonary veins carries the oxygenated blood. That is the difference. Otherwise, everywhere in anatomy, what we see everywhere other in the body, arteries carries the oxygenated blood, while veins carries the deoxygenated blood. Then next one is the attachment. Why this is? Because if there is a problem with the content of this, it can again lead to the abnormalities. So for to understand the abnormalities, first you should know what is the normal things. Then attachment point of view, it is attached to fetal surface of placenta near its center. That is center. And if this attachment is somewhere that is changed, then it can lead to the problem. So this is the attachment. And next attachment to the that of maternal side, and from the fetal side, it is to the central aspect of the abdominal wall. So if you see in this diagram, if this attachment started from here, again this is the abnormalities. If there is a presence of filaments over here and then umbilical start, then again it is the abnormality. If length is too much, then again abnormality. If length is short, again that is the abnormality. If it is twisted, then again also abnormality. So for understanding the abnormality, you should know what is the normalities. And what is the function? So as what we have seen, the function, it contains the umbilical vessel that connects the fetus to the placenta. So see, this is the umbilical vessel. Whatever the requirement of placenta, what we are saying, the function, all these things, transmits, excretory function, respiratory function, GIT, all things, whatever the nutrient functions, all these are carried by this. So that is the functions of the placenta. Placenta, again, also via umbilical cord, it is carried. Then amniotic fluid. So what we see in the amniotic fluid, there is a, what we see, this is the fluid which is present outside of this embryo. And what is the function of it? So what is it actually? Whatever the excretory urine which is passed by the fetus and it is formed by, and whatever the excretion from the inside of the uterus or endometrium inside of it, that is excretion which is present over here and it forms the amniotic fluid. So what is the, this is the amniotic fluid. This amniotic fluid has two functions during the pregnancy and during the delivery also. So what is the whatever the endometrium which is present over here, that is called as a deciduum, because as we know that after the pregnancy, the endometrium, it is called as a deciduum. The reason behind it, the normal endometrium is of small thickness, while that of pregnant ladies endometrium, where there is a thickness, it is about more than 10, it is more thick, then it is called as a deciduum. So then function of the amniotic fluid, it functions during the pregnancy and during the pregnancy also and during the delivery also. So what is the function of it? It prevents the umbilical cord for the tangling. Then second, it protects the baby if there is some injury. So it protects baby directly injury to the fetus. Then the it helps for the proper movement of the fetus. So the development of the fetus takes place properly. Then it maintains the constant temperature. As we know that air is having some variation in the temperature. If you remain sit on the window side, then what we see that one side we are having cold, but other side it is warm. But in water, if you sit in the water, so what we see that the whatever the temperature which is present, it is the equal temperature. So liquid has the capacity to maintain the equal temperature. So what is main function of it? It maintains the constant temperature. And second is what is it is maintains the constant temperature, and it is again antibacterial. So that is the function of it. And when the delivery takes place, so what it acts like? So during the delivery, it gives the first amniotic fluid pass through it. So during the delivery, it gives the passage to it, so that whatever the delivery of the fetus takes place normally, then it acts as an antibacterial. It acts as it cleans the whatever the normal vaginal delivery passage. And second things, it again acts as a lubricant during the delivery. So that is the function of amniotic fluid during the pregnancy. So it acts as a lubricant, and second, it acts as an antibacterial. So infection, if it is present, as it is not open, so it protects from it. Then before starting with that, we should know what is the normal signs and symptoms of the pregnancy normally. So while the first symptom of pregnancy, that is the symptoms. First one is that is the missed period and the amenorrhea, most important. And then what there may be morning sickness, that is nausea, vomiting is there. Then sometimes there is a breast tenderness, and fatigue is there. That is, these signs are symptoms and signs are going to vary according to different trimester. As we know that total duration of the pregnancy, it is of how much? It is of 9 months. So 9 months and 7 days. So for understanding purpose, we have divided into three parts. That is the first trimester, second trimester, and the third trimester. First trimester it is from first 1 to 12 weeks. Second trimester it is 13 to 28 weeks. Third trimester it is from 29 to 40 weeks. And for second synonym for this, it is the early, mid, and late. First trimester is also called as the early trimester. Second trimester is also called as the mid trimester, and the third trimester is also called as the late trimester. So on that basis, these symptoms and signs are going to vary. But first symptoms, common symptoms everywhere, that is missed period or amenorrhea. Whether it is first trimester, second trimester, and third trimester. Then morning sickness, then breast tenderness. These symptoms and signs are going to vary according to the trimester. And basic in early signs, there may be blood HCG's level, UPT test is positive, ultrasound shows the 5 weeks of gestation, but other signs may be in place like that of the Hagar sign is there, Palmer sign is there, Pistis sign is there. If you see in the second trimester, then the vaccine hips contraction, and then fetal heart signs that is going to be present. In third trimester, then again the grips are there, different all the grip, pelvic grip that we have to see during the examination. Then the increased frequency, symptoms wise, the increased frequency of urination, sometimes meditation present with that of constipation. So depending upon the trimester, the symptoms and signs are going to vary. So we are going to say detail after this. So that is just introduction part of it. Then next, lie of fetus. So how the position of the fetus it is going to be present during the pregnancy. So it is normal. It has to be normal. Then we understand the normal. What is meaning of lie of fetus? So what is it? It is the correlation of long axis of the maternal long axis of the maternal uh, spine with that of the fetal spine. So if it this is longitudinal, so this one is the oblique, and this is transverse when there is a long axis of the mother and the spine, that is spine and long axis of the fetus remains perpendicular to each other. That is called as a transverse line. So in normally 99% it is the longitudinal line. In that, where is the head? So depending upon the head, if it is present at the lower, that is cephalic, so it is about 95%. And near remaining, it is the 4%, it is the bridge, where the buttock part it is present, that is the lie of the fetus. And in oblique lie, so in oblique lie, again, it is the, and transverse lie, it covers about the, if out of 100 pregnancies are seen, so 1% it is the oblique line and transverse line. So that is abnormal. But what is the normal when it is the longitudinal line and with that of cephalic presentation. So I again required some more duration for the completion of this. So I start this session again next lecture, so that I will continue the part of it. So that is related with that of just introduction, where I have just slides remain of completion of this normal pregnancy. So we are going to continue it in the next Zoom lecture. Fine. Okay. And whatever it you have to write it, write the notes of write notes of it. And if you have anyone query regarding this thing, whatever we have learned till time, so let me know. So that is just initial part, introduction part of the mother normal part what we have seen it. So we are going to continue in the next Zoom lecture. Give me the attendance, please. In the WhatsApp group, please give me the attendance. The WhatsApp.